In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp inbox. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along with confidence. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then click through to the ClickUp website. Once you're inside your workspace, look for Inbox in the sidebar. This is your centralized notification hub, built to surface updates, mentions, comments, and task activity, so you don't have to dig through spaces or lists to stay on top of things. Inside the inbox, you'll see several sections designed to keep your attention focused where it matters most. First, open the Primary tab. This is where your most important items land: direct mentions, assignments, and critical updates that likely need action. It's a great place to begin your day because anything here is either for you or highly relevant to your work. Next, switch over to Other. This captures general activity, like broader changes and updates that are useful but not necessarily urgent. Think of it as the background feed that keeps you informed without demanding immediate attention. You'll also find a Later section. Use this to park notifications that aren't urgent or important right now. It's perfect for keeping your primary view clean while still holding on to the items you'll revisit when you have time. Finally, check Cleared. This is where notifications go after you mark them as done. It acts like a tidy archive, giving you peace of mind that nothing is lost, just out of your way. One of the best parts of the inbox is that you can work directly from it without hunting for the task elsewhere. When a notification relates to a specific task, open it and make quick updates right there. You can start or log time using ClickUp's time tracking, add or change the assignee to ensure ownership is clear, and adjust due dates to keep priorities aligned. You can also reply to comments in context, open the related task if you need the full view, change the task status as work progresses, assign or reassign tasks on the fly, and even add yourself as a watcher so you're notified of future updates. Handling these actions from the inbox reduces context switching and speeds up your daily flow. That's the core of using the ClickUp inbox. Arrive via Google if needed, open inbox, focus on primary, review other, park items in later, and keep your cleared list tidy, all while taking direct action as notifications come in. With this setup, you'll stay organized and move faster every day.